Thousands of law enforcement pistols in Baltimore County were about to be swapped out for new ones. The move is pending council review, but if approved, the county will spend about $1.4 million to replace over 2,000 pistols that are currently at risk of misfiring or not firing at all. Law enforcement officers would be equipped with Glock 17 Gen 5 handguns. Police Corporal Sean Vincent says officers have lost confidence in the guns, which led to an immediate need for a new service weapon. I'm Molestina for WJZ.com.